Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the work from home or else the online tutoring jobs, guys. And coming to the eligibility wise, any graduation in any specialization or else any post graduation in any specialization. So the candidates who are looking for the part-time jobs or else online tutoring jobs, it will be the wonderful opportunity in this pandemic situation, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is freelance online tutor from Leadership Boulevard Private Limited. So here the 2 to 5 years of experience and the salary is not disclosed here. And you may check down, just posted one day before, and the total number of openings are 20. And here the coming to the job description. So through Lead School at the Home project, each child at the Lead get access to the online classes, so that teaching and learning continues without any interruption. And with this project, the lakhs of students are able to continue their learning at home in the current scenario. And this will be a year-long project where we will provide the online classes from pre-primary to class 10 to our Lead School students. And we are looking for the passionate, energetic as well as a fluent English tutors who can prepare and record online classes for the K10 curriculum for Lead School at the Home project, and this is a 2-month contractual position that can be extended. And coming to the responsibilities, you have to record the online classes for students from class 1 to 9 to teach the subjects such as English, Math, Science, Social Science, and create an assessment for the classes and subject they are teaching. And the requirement, 2 years of prior teaching experience is must, and the candidates from the e-learning background with subject expert, Maths, English, Science, Social will be preferred. And prior experience of teaching online is an advantage, and excellent written as well as the communication skills in English and additional fluency in Hindi language will be an advantage, and should have a working laptop with webcam or integrated camera and a working integrated or external mic, should have an internet connection to access the lesson plan and uploading the classes. So if you selected, you will be provided the training on recording and editing software and the best practices. And the qualification required is graduates with qualification in the respective subject, and candidates with teaching experience will be preferred. So interested candidates can share the CV and a demo video on dharam.thadeshwr@leadschool.in. Okay, and you have to put the subject as online tutor _ subject _ your name. Okay, and coming to the role, you have to mention your subject name. Okay. So the role is private tutor and education. So here you may check down the education qualification, any graduation in any specialization and any post graduation in any specialization. Fine. So it is a complete advertisement regarding the free online or as a freelance online tutor in this private limited, guys. Okay, so here you may apply through the Naukri.com website also, because we got this notification from the Naukri.com. Okay, you have to register and then log in to apply. Or else if you want to directly apply for this one, then here the mail ID is given. So send your CV as well as the demo video to this provided mail ID. Fine. So this is a detailed notification regarding this online tutoring jobs, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGSNet JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGSNet JRF. Fine.